Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if Windows encountered a problem installing the drivers for your device. Windows found drivers for your device but encountered an error while attempting to install them. And it says that the installation of this device is forbidden by system policy. Contact your system administrator. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start off by opening up the start menu, type in group policy. If you don't have group policy editor in Windows 10 Home Edition, you can look up my channel. I do have a video on how to get that working for the Home Edition, but for Windows 10 Professional and higher, this shouldn't be a problem here. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and open up edit group policy, and you want to make this window a little bit wider here. And you want to expand computer configuration if it's not already expanded. Double click on administrative templates. Same thing for Windows components. And then finally left click on the Windows installer folder just one time. And now on the right side you want to look for something that says prohibit non-administrators from applying vendor signed updates. Right here, double click on it. Set this to disabled and then select apply and OK. Restart your computer, attempt to check for the driver updates again, and your issue should have been resolved. So again, restart and then check for updates and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.